Hello and welcome to Creative Hub AJ. Today we are going to learn how to add white border to image in Canva. So let's get started. Firstly, we will go in a create a design section and we'll choose YouTube thumbnail. Then I will choose the photo which I want outline for. I have choose this one. In edit image, I will remove its background like this. For giving a effective look so that you can see the border, I am going to change the color of the background to black so I can show you the white outline like this. Now in a edit image section, in a magic eraser, I will edit some unnecessary portions so that the outline can be shown promptly. Like this. Some extra hairs I am removing from here to give a cleaner look. Like this. Now we will choose erase option and we'll wait few seconds to erase it. Now see. Now we will go in the edit image section to the effects shadows. Now in shadows we will choose outline option and we'll choose color of the outline. We will choose white and will increase its size. You can get any outline whichever color you like. I have choose the white one to show the outline prominently to you. So look this, it will give the very nice look if you add this in your thumbnails, or it will give a sticker like look. So for many such amazing content, subscribe to Creative Hub AJ. Thank you.